Hello and welcome to Pabbly. So today in this video, we will be discussing the top 5 WhatsApp Cloud API automations that you can set up with Pabbly Connect. So WhatsApp Cloud API is the official API service for WhatsApp by Meta. And using this, connecting with Pabbly Connect, you can automate the process of sending or receiving WhatsApp messages to your client customers and leads. So here we came up with the top 5 things that you can automate related to WhatsApp Cloud API. Whether it can be sending quotations to your customer or your product brochure or business brochures. You can send a new order confirmation or you can send a WhatsApp message to your customer on form submission automatically. The possibilities of WhatsApp automation are endless. So without any further delay, let's begin with the complete guide where we are going to show you the step-by-step guide that how you can set up each and every automation all by yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Sonam from Pabbly team, and in this video we will learn how to receive form submission notifications on WhatsApp using WhatsApp Cloud API. So the idea here is that I have created a form in Typeform, and whenever the form is submitted by a user, I want to receive the instant alerts and notifications on WhatsApp, something like, "Hello Roger Binney, a new candidate has applied for the post of digital marketing via your job application form. Here are the details of the form," and you will find the name and the email of the person who has submitted the form on your WhatsApp, something like this. But there is a problem that Typeform and WhatsApp do not have any direct connection. So in order to build the connection in between Typeform and WhatsApp, I am going to use an automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So just watch this video till end and you will be also able to set these kind of automations very quickly. First, open your browser and type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect of that automation software. From this blue button, you will have to create your free account. The account creation in Pabbly Connect is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks so that you can actually create this kind of automation. Okay, I already have an account, that's why I have clicked on signing and I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect directly. Okay, just wait. Okay, so I have reached it. Now from this blue button, you will have to start creating your automation. Give any random name to your automation, to your workflow. I am giving the name as Typeform to WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp automation. Okay, let's make it like this. Click on create, and once you will click on create, you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger. Okay, let me minimize it. Trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example. When a sale is happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. Another example, when a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms, share a file via Google Drive application. Okay, according to our use case, whenever the form is submitted, basically the Typeform application get a notification of that form submission on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's proceed for the same. Choose your application as Typeform. First application will be the Typeform, because we want to actually collect the form submission data of Typeform. And in trigger event, click on new entry. Now click on this blue button, connect. In order to connect your Typeform with Pabbly Connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with the Typeform. I already logged into my Typeform account in different tab. So you can see it is asking for this permission. Simply click on accept. Don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Okay, and you will see the authorization is successful and my Typeform account is connected with Pabbly Connect, and you can see whatever the forms are available in my Typeform has started visible here in the Pabbly Connect. Let me even show you my Typeform account. Here you can see I have 4 forms in my Typeform account, and let me show you, these are the forms visible here in the drop down. Now I have created this particular form, the job form. Okay, let me show you. Let me preview this form first. So here is my form. I'm going to preview it, and let me show you in the desktop mode. This is my form. Okay, name, email, number, applying for which position. Okay, this is my form, and I'm going to select the same form, basically the job application form. Whenever a new job application form is received, I want to get the notification about the same on WhatsApp. Now click on save and send test request, and let's see what is saying. It is saying once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. So basically I'll have to go to my form again, okay, and open this form in actual. Okay, where is that form? Let me open it. Click on share and you will see the form link. Okay, open it in a new tab and let's fill out this form. Let's give a dummy name, okay, because I am doing it just for the video purpose. Okay, that is I am giving any random name, admin@pabblytuts.com. okay, click on okay. Your number, I'm going to add my number. Okay, I have provided the WhatsApp number. Okay, applying for which position? So basically let's say he is applying for the digital marketing. Click on submit. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and see whether the response is received. While waiting for the response, and you can see the response in type form is received. And let me show you the details one by one. This is the name of the form. All right, here you can see the dummy name is here, the dummy email address is here, phone number, every detail is here. Now I want to receive the same form responses to my WhatsApp. That is why I am going to click on this second application and choose WhatsApp Cloud API. Now what is WhatsApp Cloud API? Well, in order to receive the notification on WhatsApp, we cannot actually use the direct WhatsApp account. I am going to make use of WhatsApp Cloud API software. It is basically the official API of WhatsApp which Facebook has recently launched. Okay, click on send template message in action event, click on connect. Now it will ask you to connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. So click on add new connection and it will ask you three details: token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now open your browser and type developers.facebook.com and press enter, and this is how you will reach to the landing page of WhatsApp Cloud API. From here you'll have to create your free account. Okay, I have already account, that's why I'm going to click on my apps and I have logged in directly because I was already logged in. And the very first thing you will have to do is to create an app and generate a permanent token in order to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. I am repeating this again: create an app and generate a permanent token. I have recorded and attached a separate video in my description box. Please go to that video, check it, set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and then come back here. Okay, once you will create your app, you will find your application here, and now I am going to click on my application which I have already created in advance. Okay, this is my app, open it. Well, we need three things: phone number ID, token and WhatsApp business account ID. That is why I have opened this section. Okay, now from the left side, click on WhatsApp, click on getting started and you will find those three details. All right, here is the token, copy it and come back to Pabbly Connect and paste it. Here I am using the temporary access token and it will expire soon. Well, I am doing this connection just for the video purpose. That is why I am using this temporary token. But again, I have just told you, you will have to generate a permanent token, and make sure when you are going to send the actual messages to your customers, only make use of the permanent token. All right. Let's shift it here so that it will be easier. Phone number ID, copy it and paste it here. The last thing is the WhatsApp business account ID, copy it and paste it here. Okay, and this is how you will get all three details. Click on save and you will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, now it is asking to fill few details. Template name. What is template name? Basically the message which we are going to send to our customers, and WhatsApp always asks you to create a template first, get it approved via Facebook, then only you can actually start conversation with your customers. Let me even show you the templates which are available in my account and which are already started showing here. Okay, firstly you'll have to click on this here option. Under the step 2, click on this here option in WhatsApp Cloud API account only, and you will find all the templates which I have created in my account, and you can see all of them are approved. I have created them in advance and get them approved. Okay, in case you want to create your template, you can actually do it from this blue button. How you can create your template, again a separate tutorial has been recorded and attached to this description box of this video. Okay, go and check your video. Let me show you my template which I have created. Okay, it was something like, I guess, job alert. Yes, new job alert final. I guess it is the same template which I have created. Yes, you can see the preview of the template is here, and I have created my message template from this body text. Okay, let me show you this. Let me actually minimize it so that you can actually see it very clearly in one go. All right, so this is the header I have created. New job application is received. You can see it is visible here. This is the body text, and you can see whatever the values we want to change every time on new form submission. I have kept all these things in the form of variable. How you can actually do this? You just have to put these two curly braces and put the number. Okay, well, when you will create this template, you will actually find this add variable button here at the bottom right corner. All right, this is the footer option. Well, it is optional, and you can also attach the buttons as well. Here I have forgot to tell you a very important thing, that whenever you will create a template, do not forget to add these samples. So samples are basically whatever the values, whatever the variables you are keeping in your template, you will have to just provide a sample values here. And once you will provide these sample values, you can actually click on done and click on submit, and this is how your template will be approved very soon. Generally, people actually forget to provide the samples, and that is why their template actually did not get approved. For now, I am going to my Pabbly Connect account, and I am going to select the same application, basically the template name, and my template is actually job alert final. I have selected it. Okay, keep the language code and this particular field as a recipient mobile number, and there are four details are there. No, actually 5 details are there. One body field, 1 2 3 4 5 variables are there, and one is the phone number field. What are these 5 variables? Basically the values which I have kept in the form of variable. You can see 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 values I'll have to map right from here. Okay, whatever the values I'm going to provide here will be changed in this particular message automatically. So let's fill it one by one. I will fill this particular number also, but body field 1 is basically the name of the team member of mine, so that is not actually going to change. That is why I will write it as Roger Binney only. Okay, and this name will not going to change. That is why I have write it manually. Body field 2, well, what is that? Let me check it. For the post of, so basically the post for which the candidate has applied. Where I can actually find this detail? Basically from the above step, from which I have actually received the type form submissions, but I do not have to actually copy the details from the above step. All the details will be visible here in the drop down only. Okay, you can simply open it and click on that particular field, whatever you will have to map. Okay, let me map the value. I have selected the position as digital marketing. Let me find it where it is. You can actually search for the same here. You can see here is the digital marketing. Click on that. Now what is body field 3? Let me check it again in my template. Basically the name, the email and the phone number. Let's fill them one by one. Name. All right, let me search for the name directly. All right, dummy name I have filled, remember. Click on that. Okay, somehow it has missed it. Okay, dummy name it. Click on that. Now body field 4 is basically the email address. Okay, again let me search it with the help of this admin@pabblyturds.com. This is the email ID I have added as a candidate. Okay, body field 5 is basically the phone number. Okay, let me fill that phone number as well. Here it is. Now I have filled all the details except the recipient mobile number. So this is the mobile number of the person. So here I would like to receive the notification on my number. That is why I'm going to add the my number here, okay, and read the instructions here. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code without plus sign. That means you will have to write the number in this particular format only, okay. So I'm going to write my number here, okay. In front of you I am going to add a dummy number, but I will add it, okay, the actual number. Going to pause this video. So I have opened my WhatsApp account also. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, click on save and send test request. Let's see what is the response. Alright, I have received the response. Let me check my WhatsApp, and you can see I have actually received this notification of, let me open the message. New job application is received. Hi Roger Binney, a new candidate has applied for the post of digital marketing via your job application form. Here are the details of the candidate. Name, the dummy name is here, the phone number is here, the email ID is here. Regards, Pabbly team.
Hello and welcome. This is Khushbu Batta, and today we will learn how you can automatically send a WhatsApp message when you add a new tag to your customer. Suppose you have 5 different products, and for each of these 5 products you have made a separate tag in ActiveCampaign or some other automation app like Salesforce or MailChimp. Now let's say you have to add a new tag to the customer and want to send an update message regarding the same. How will you do it? First, you can go to ActiveCampaign, copy all the customer details, come back, compose a message, then add the tag manually and send it to every single user via WhatsApp. However, this can be a repetitive and time-consuming process. So, how about you try our Pabbly Smart way? Here, we will integrate ActiveCampaign with WhatsApp, all using Pabbly Connect. So whenever you add a new tag to your customer or contact in ActiveCampaign, a WhatsApp message will automatically be sent to them. And the bonus, this entire automation process is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. Come to my screen to see how we do it. To send WhatsApp messages for new tags in ActiveCampaign using WhatsApp Cloud API, let us first go to Pabbly's website. On the top right, you will see 2 options, sign up free and sign in. Since I already have an account, I will just sign in. Now go to Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a create workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write ActiveCampaign to WhatsApp, since these are the 2 applications we will be using. Now it will show you 2 windows, trigger and action. So trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. Now let us select ActiveCampaign as our trigger application. So ActiveCampaign is a cloud software platform that offers email marketing, marketing automation and CRM tools. Now for the trigger event, let us select contact tag added. Why? Because we want every time we add a tag to a contact, a WhatsApp message should be sent to them. So let us connect the 2. Add new connection, and it will ask you for a few keys. For this, let us go to ActiveCampaign's page, and this is the dashboard. On the left hand side, at the left bottom, you will see settings. Click there. Now you will see developer option. On the developers option, you will see these API access keys. Now let us just copy the API key. Come back to Pabbly's page and paste it here. Now it will ask you for the URL. So again, go back here. This is the URL. Copy API URL and then paste it here. So like you can see here, it is written, enter your ActiveCampaign URL in this format. The example is this. So that means we will have to remove this https and slashes. Yes, this is the format. Save it. And now it says successfully connected. It will ask you for a webhook name. We will simply write testing. You can name as per your need or choice. Let us save and send test request. Alright, now it says waiting for response. To see if this integration is working, we will go back to Active Campaigns page and add a tag to a dummy user. Let us go back here, and now you can see on the left hand side contacts. Alright, here you will see I have a few contact names. So I want to add a tag to this name, demo dummy. Let me click here and I will add a tag. So these were the tags that I had prepared. I will select this. Alright, the tag has been added. Now let us go back and see if we have received a response. And yes, here it is. You can see the user's email ID, the user's first name, last name, contact number, and the tag that we had added. That is Pabbly email marketing. Alright, this means that we have successfully integrated Active Campaign with Pabbly. Now on to the next step. You will see the action window. Let us select WhatsApp Cloud API. Before we move further, let us understand what is WhatsApp Cloud API. So Meta recently launched API allowing businesses to send work-related WhatsApp messages to their customers. Alright, for the action event, we will select template message, send template message, connect the two. So we will do add new connection and it will ask you for a few keys. For this, let us go to developers page. Straight come to the left hand side and you will see WhatsApp drop down. Click there, getting started. And you will see temporary access token. Copy this, come back to Pabbly's page, paste it. Now it will need phone number ID. Again to developers page. Scroll a bit down and you will see the phone number ID. Copy it, paste. Now it needs WhatsApp business account ID. Back to developers page and right next to phone number ID you will see WhatsApp business account ID. Copy this and paste. Let us save it. Alright, it is connected. Now let us select the template name. So we had prepared this template tag add. So a template is basically a message type that would be sent to the user. Now let us go to the and quickly see the template that I had prepared. So here it is. You can see hi. The fields are here. Hi. We are happy to inform you that the bracket again tag added to your account. So basically we will have to fill in these details here. Now come back to Pabbly's page and we will map in a few details like recipient mobile number. So scroll down and here you will see. Now body field 1, example dummy it says. Let us go back to the template and see what exactly it is. Hi, here the user's name will come, the person who we are sending this message to. So let us add the first name, give a space, again map the last name. So this is demo dummy. Alright, body field 2, let us go back to the template to see what exactly it says. We are happy to inform you that this second tag added to your account. So here basically we will have to write the tag's name, map the tag's name. Again we'll click on Active Campaign, scroll down and you will see contact tags. Remember Pabbly email marketing, this was the tag that we had added. Yes. Now let us just save and send test request. Alright, it says response received. So now let us go back to user's account, WhatsApp account and see if they have received the update. Yes, here you can see, hi demo dummy. That is the name of the user. We are happy to inform that the Pabbly email marketing tag, the tag that we had added, that was the field that we had filled in, tag added to your account.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send your real estate business brochures or any kind of business brochures to your Facebook leads on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, suppose that you are collecting leads for your real estate business via Facebook and you have a page on Facebook and you are running an ad on Facebook. So as and when you are going to generate a lead through Facebook lead ad form, a WhatsApp message will be delivered to that lead automatically with your business brochure. Yes guys, and now you can see on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. here, as and when your lead is going to submit your Facebook lead generation form, the message will be delivered to that person automatically with your business brochure. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is going to integrate Facebook with WhatsApp. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. To set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you'll get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click here on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send real estate property brochure on WhatsApp. Alright, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page started loading up here, and this is the workflow page, guys. Here you will find the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to make this workflow start, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be generation of a new lead from Facebook lead ad, and the action towards the trigger would be to send the business brochure on the WhatsApp of the lead. Alright, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose Facebook lead ads as the trigger application. Okay, and guys, here you can see it is showing every 10 minutes. So this trigger is going to check every 10 minutes for the new data entry or a new lead from Facebook. Okay, so the trigger event here would be this new lead instant. So this will trigger when a new lead is submitted in specified lead generation form associated to your page. Okay, select this option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So it will bring you to the login window if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in my Facebook, you can see here this is my page, it just got connected here. Okay, right, and here it is asking to select your page on which you are running the ad. So this is my page, guys, named as Pabbly property. Here I'm going to select this page, Pabbly property, this one. Okay, and this is a form attached with this Facebook page. So I'm running an ad on the page, and in that, whenever someone is going to click on that ad, a lead generation form will open up. So this is a form connected with that ad. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and here you can see started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So here you can read in the important notice section, after connecting with lead ads, your workflow will begin to listening to the response. So it started listening. Now you have to submit a dummy lead information using the Facebook lead ad testing tool. So by clicking on this blue string of text, you can reach this page. Let me show you. This is Facebook lead ad testing tool, guys. Here you have to select your page, and the form attached with that page will be selected here. And when you click on this preview form, your Facebook lead form will open up. Let me show you. So as I have clicked on preview form, you can see this is the inquiry form or a lead generation form attached. So as and when any person is going to fill this form, the data will be captured here. So let us generate a dummy lead. Okay, so here let me fill the form with the name as dummy name. Okay, this is the email address, and here let me fill the WhatsApp number of the lead. Alright, so here's how you can fill the form, and I'm clicking on next to generate a dummy lead. Click on submit here. Alright, you can see it is showing here your test lead has been sent. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data of a dummy lead, and here you can see this is how you can capture the response. It is showing us the status as success, the creation time of the lead is this, and the form ID is this, and here you can see we got the full name of the person, the email, the phone number. Okay, this is how you can capture the dummy leads data. And now I want to send the brochure of my business to WhatsApp of this person. For that to happen, I'm going to connect with WhatsApp in this Actions tab. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's application programming interface or API. So I'm going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform to get that access. But first, you have to connect your number by which you want to send the message with the cloud API of WhatsApp. For that to happen, guys, you can watch the video from the description. We have created a dedicated video on WhatsApp Cloud API setup. You can watch that and create your own Cloud API access setup, right? After that, you can search for WhatsApp Cloud API here and select it. This is it, okay? And the action event would be send template message. Then click on connect. And from here, if you're making the connection with the Cloud API platform for the very first time, you have to select add new connection option. Here you can rename this connection as well. And this connection that you're making by this process, by selecting the add new connection and filling all these things, is going to be saved in your account. Okay, so here it is asking for the token, the permanent access token of the Cloud API platform. So if you want to know more about these things, the token, the ID and the business account ID, you just can click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you will find these two videos. First video is for the complete Cloud API setup inside Pabbly Connect. Second, this video is for generating the permanent access tokens. You can watch these videos and follow them to generate the token. And here you can see we have written steps along with screenshots also to make the connection with the Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect in trigger and in action. Okay, right. So you can watch it and follow the steps. And to show you these things, I can show you my Cloud API setup. So guys, you can see I am under Meta for Developers section and I am under WhatsApp's Getting Started page. Here you can see in the Getting Started page, it is showing us the temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, guys, but if you want to continuously run your workflows, you need to generate a permanent access token because these temporary tokens expires in 24 hours. Okay. So to generate the permanent token, I have told you that you can watch the video from this forum link here, or you can watch the video from the description as well. Okay, and follow that guidelines and create the token. And after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe. That is a one-time task only, and we are going to use the same token afterwards also for making the connections, right? So after getting the token, you have to paste the permanent token here in this token field. Similarly, you will find the phone number ID here like this. Just copy this and paste it here like this. Okay, and you will find the business account ID here. Copy that also and paste it here in this field like this. Okay, and after filling all the things, click on save and you will be connected with the Cloud API platform, right? And making this connection by this process is a one-time process because this connection is going to be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow afterwards, you can use that same existing connection. As I have already made many connections with my Cloud API setup in different workflows, I can use my existing connections. For that, I just have to select this existing connection option. And here it is asking to select your existing connection. So here you will find the connections list. From here you can choose any connection, okay, any existing one. Let me select this. And now I just have to click on save and I'll be connected again. Okay, so you can see we are now connected. And here it is asking for the templates or the message templates name. All right, so guys, to send messages to multiple people at once on WhatsApp, you need to create a message template first. So message template is a pre-created standard message structure that you can use to send messages on WhatsApp in bulk. Okay, so I have already created a message template inside my Cloud API setup, and the message template is this one. So if you want to know how to create such templates, you can watch the video from the description, guys. We have a dedicated video on which we have explained how to create templates and how to get them approved. Okay, so this is one of my message template I have created for this purpose, and here you can see the preview of this message. So when I'm going to use this template, which is send brochure final, this is the name of the template, the message is going to look like this on WhatsApp of the person. It is showing here, hello Akash. Akash is a random name. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Connect. One of your team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. And here you can see we have a header here in the message in which we can attach the PDF file of our brochure. Alright, and here you can see this is the body of the message, and here you can see we have written the body here in this body box. And here we have, you can notice here we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. So these are the body fields or the variable tags of the message. This means we can change 3 things in this message automatically every time we are going to send any new message. Okay, like the name of the person to whom we are sending the message, that is going to change. The product or your business's name, you can change that, and you can change your website address as well. So you have to place these variable tags in this message so that you can change some things every time you can send the message. Okay, because we have created this template for multiple purposes, for sending messages to multiple people. That's why you need to have some body fields here. Okay, so if you want to know how to place these body fields and all, you can watch the video from the description. All right, and here let me first select the template from this templates list. So the name of my template is this one, send brochure final. I'm selecting that, and here you can see the language code and the template ID is auto populated. No need to do anything here. Here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number or the WhatsApp number of the person to whom you are sending this message. So guys, we got the test data of our dummy lead here in this first step, and here we got this phone number label in which we got the WhatsApp number. All right, so I'm going to map this label here in this field. So just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received from the first step, and from here only map this phone number label like this. And now it is asking for the header documents URL. So as I have shown you here, we can send the document or a PDF file inside this header section of message, and I want to send this file. Let me show you. So guys, this is the brochure I want to send to my customer. This is a sample brochure I have created, and I have uploaded this brochure on my WordPress database. So I got this link. So here I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to paste this PDF link here in this header document URL field. Okay, and here you can give a name to this document file as well. So I'm giving the name as brochure only. Okay, and now it is asking for the body field 1, 2 and 3. So as I have told you earlier that we have 3 body fields or variable tags in our message, so we can change these 3 things every time we can send a message. And to get these things dynamically changed with every new message, you need to map the values of these 3 fields here in your workflow. Okay, so first field is for the name of the person to whom you want to send the message. So map the name from the first step. Here is the name label. Okay, second body field is for let me see, your business's name. So here you can put the name of your business as Pabbly Property. You can manually type your business's name. Okay, like this, Pabbly Property. All right, and the things that you are placing here manually are not going to change. The things you are mapping here are going to change automatically. Okay, here it is asking for the website address, or if you have any. So I just have only one website, so I'm putting the URL manually here. Okay, you can place your website address. Now guys, you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test WhatsApp message will be delivered to this number. So guys, I'm going to show you the message using my WhatsApp number that I'm going to fill here. Then we will click on save and send test request, and let me show you the message then. So guys, this is how the message is going to look like. I have taken the screenshot of my cell phone. Here you can see it is showing the brochure attached and it is showing hello dummy name. Okay, this is the same name that we have mapped in the body field. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly property. Okay, this is the second body field, and here you can see we have the website address attached also. And from here only the person can download your brochure. So this is how it is going to work, guys. And our automation is now complete, and you have to set up this automation like this only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when any person is going to fill your Facebook lead ad form, a WhatsApp message is going to be automatically delivered along with your business brochure. And guys, you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is send WhatsApp notification for WooCommerce orders and add to Google Sheets. Now suppose guys, you have created an e-commerce store using WooCommerce, and on a regular basis you are getting lots and lots of orders on that WooCommerce store. So guys, you want to send them an order notification. The customers who has actually placed the order, you want to send them a WhatsApp notification whenever they place a successful order. As well as you also want to add the details of this very same order which you have received from the customer into a Google Sheet to maintain a record. Now guys, we all know that WooCommerce, Google Sheets and WhatsApp, all of these three applications don't have a direct connection between them. So guys, the manual process of getting the order details from WooCommerce and manually sending the WhatsApp message to the customer and manually adding the order details into Google Sheets can be very much repetitive and time-consuming process for you. So in this video, to solve your problem, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever we will receive a new order in WooCommerce, instantly, automatically, we will send a WhatsApp message to the very same customer who has placed the order. As well as guys, we will add the details of this very same order into a Google Sheets for maintaining the records. Interesting, right? Now here you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. And the best part is, you don't have to need any kind of coding skills and programming knowledge. A non-technical user can also complete this automation, create this automation very easily. So guys, let's go to my screen and know that what is the step-by-step process to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as WooCommerce to WhatsApp to Google Sheets and click on create. Just a second. WooCommerce. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is, first we have to get the details or the data of new order which we are receiving on our WooCommerce store in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the WhatsApp message to the customer who has placed the order, as well as in the next step, we will add the details of that very same newly received order on our WooCommerce store to a Google Sheet so that we can maintain a record over there as well. So let's begin with our process. So here in trigger window in choose app, first we have to select WooCommerce. Just select WooCommerce from here. Then after that, in trigger event, we can see there are multiple trigger events over here, out of which we will select new order created. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. So just copy this webhook URL from here and follow the help text given below over here to make the connection. So after copying this webhook URL, just go to the dashboard of your WordPress site. So this is my WordPress site, and this site I have installed the WooCommerce store plugin. So I have basically managing my store from here. So after going there, just hover on WooCommerce and go to settings. After going to settings, just click here on advanced option on top over here. And after clicking on advanced, we can see there is the option named as webhook. Just click on webhooks. After clicking on the webhooks, we can see all the webhook URLs which we have created in our WooCommerce store or added in our WooCommerce store can be seen over here. Just click on add webhook, and we will see at this very page, we can see the fields to create a webhook, add a new webhook. So first thing it asks us is the name, that what is the name which we want to give to this collection. For example, I would like to give the name as Pabbly Connect. This is the name. Then by default, the status of this webhook is disabled. We will change it to active. Then after that, it is asking us for the topic. So topic is basically a trigger event. So here in topic, we will select order created. Then after that, it is asking us delivery URL. So delivery URL is the field, guys, where we wanted to add the webhook URL, which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Just copy it from here and then paste it over here. After pasting the webhook URL, just select the REST API version, the latest one, which it is, and click on save webhook. If you have any doubt while making the connection or selecting the topic, you can refer to the help text given below over here in this Pabbly Connect workflow trigger window response. So here, after just entering all these details, just click on save webhook. After that, we can see that our webhook URL is now successfully saved. We have successfully made the connection between our WooCommerce store and Pabbly Connect. Now, every time we will receive a new order on our WooCommerce store, details or the data of that very same newly received order will also be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So just get back to Pabbly Connect workflow and here click on recapture webhook response. Now we can see that it is changed to waiting for webhook response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some details, some data from WooCommerce as well. Now what we have to do, we have to basically place a test order, a dummy order on our WooCommerce store. So let's go to a WooCommerce store. So this is my WooCommerce store, and at this store, we are going to place an order. For example, we have a product, for example, this is a t-shirt. Let's place an order for this t-shirt. After that, just click on add to cart. Just scroll down, proceed to checkout. Now at this billing details page, we have to enter the details of a dummy customer. So here we have the details as test dummy. This is the name of the person, test dummy. Then after that, we have the mobile number, the address, a dummy address of this very same customer, as well as we have to mention the mobile number. So here in phone section, I'll enter the mobile number of this very same customer. So this is the mobile number and this is the email address of the customer. So whatever phone number, whatever mobile number the customer will enter over here in this checkout page, we will send the WhatsApp message as the confirmation to this very same particular mobile number as well, guys. So guys, we have successfully entered the details of a test user, a dummy customer over here. Just click on place order. And yes guys, that's it. We can see that just now we have placed a test order, a dummy order on our WooCommerce store with the details of a dummy customer. And because we have connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL, we will see that the details of this very same order which we have played just now will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's get back to Pabbly Connect workflow and let's wait for a few seconds. And yes guys, we can see that within few seconds, we have received a response over here in this trigger window. And in this response, when we will scroll down, we will find that this is the response or the details of that very same order which we have placed just now. So the total amount for this order is 1000 rupees. So we can see that in checkout page and we have received that very same details over here. Then we have the name of the customer who placed the order, the first name and the last name. Also, we have received the response of the address of the customer, like this is the address, and the email address and phone number. As well as we will find that we have received the order ID of this very particular order which we have received on our WooCommerce store. So guys, when we will scroll down further, we will find the details of the product which we have ordered as well. So here we will find in the drop down what is the product. So we have ordered a t-shirt and somewhere in these responses we will find that this is the t-shirt. Line item name, this is the name of the product which we have added. So guys, basically the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully connected our WooCommerce store with Pabbly Connect and received the response or the details of the new orders which we are receiving on our WooCommerce store in Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to step 2. So in step 2, we wanted to send a WhatsApp message as a confirmation to the very same customer who placed an order. Now to do so, we will just scroll down and come to our action window. And here in Choose App, we will search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So we are using WhatsApp Cloud API, the recently launched official API WhatsApp API service by Facebook, or should I say Meta. So here in Choose App, after selecting WhatsApp Cloud API, in Trigger Event, select Send Template Message and click on Connect. Select Add New Connection, and here we have to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. So guys, I have already created my own WhatsApp Cloud API account, so I will enter the details of my Cloud API account over here, like the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. But if you haven't created your own WhatsApp Cloud API account yet, there is no problem guys, we have a separate dedicated video on how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So you can refer to that video and set up your own Cloud API account. And after creating the account, you will reach to this app dashboard page of WhatsApp Cloud API. And at this very same page, you will find all the details which are required to make the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So at this page, we have the temporary access token, we have the phone number ID as well as the WhatsApp business account ID. So guys, here just copy this phone number ID from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here in Pabbly Connect connection window. After that, just copy this WhatsApp business account ID and paste it over here in this window over here. And the third thing it asks us is token. So the help text below token says, enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. So guys, the token which you get on this app dashboard page is a temporary access token, which means this token will expire every 24 hours. But don't worry guys, there is a way by which you can generate a permanent access token which will never expire. So here in the connection window in the help text, we can see a hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on our forum. And at this very same page, you can find all the details regarding WhatsApp Cloud API, how you can set up your account, how to generate permanent access token and other details as well. So you can refer to this page and generate the permanent access token. After generating the token, just enter it over here and click on save to make the connection. I have already made the connection, so I'll click on select existing connection and click on save. After connecting our Cloud API account, the first thing it asks us is template name. So here in the drop down below, we can see a list of long list of templates which we have created in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here you must be thinking, what are these templates? So templates are basically some predefined WhatsApp messages which we have created in our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So to send WhatsApp messages using Cloud API, first we have to create a template of the message which we want to send to a customer in WhatsApp Cloud API. And after that, we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And after the approval, we can use that very same template to send the messages to a customer on a successful order. So here in the drop down, you can see a long list of templates. If you want to create your own WhatsApp message template, just go to the app dashboard page over here, scroll down and come to step 2. And here in step 2, at the last, you can see a hyperlink. Just click on it and it will take you to a message template page of WhatsApp Cloud API. And at this very same page, you will find all the templates which we have created in our Cloud API account can be seen over here. If you want to create a new template, just click on this create message template button and you can create a WhatsApp message template of your choice as well. We have a separate dedicated video on template creation as well, and a link of that video will be in the description box below. And in that particular video, we have covered all the process, all the steps which are required to create a message template, and also what are the features these template messages offers. So guys, the template which we are going to use in this video is named as new purchase. Let me show you. New purchase customer. Let's open this template. And yes guys, this is the kind of WhatsApp message I want to send to my customer who places an orders. This message says order confirmation, hi, and after hi, I will be adding the name of the customer who places an order. So here in body section, you will find that after hi, I have added a number in double curly braces. So you must be thinking what are these numbers and why I have added these numbers in double curly braces over here. So these numbers are basically like here number 1, number 2 are basically some body fields, some variables. So I wanted to add the name of the customer after hi or after the hello salutation. But guys, the name of the customer will keep on changing for every new order and every new sending message. So the name of the customer will be a dynamic text. And to add these kind of dynamic text in our template message, we add these kind of numbers, or basically should I say variables, in double curly braces. So after hi, in this variable, in this body field, it comes the name of the customer. Then this message says, thank you for shopping with us. Your order has been successfully placed for, and after for, I wanted to add the name of the product which that customer has ordered. So here the name of the product will also be a dynamic text. So we will mention the name of the product over here. Happy shopping, Pabbly. So guys, this is the kind of message which I want to send. In this message, I have also added a header, and in header section, I have added a text like order confirmation. So here as a header, in this message, we can see order confirmation as a bold text over here. And also in this very same message, I have added two buttons. One is call us button and second one is visit store. So here in the button section, I have added two buttons as well, as you can see. So as the customer click on this call us button, he will directly can call me on my number which I will be entering in this template message. Other than that, if the customer clicks on this visit store button, I will redirect, or WhatsApp message will redirect them to the store of my WooCommerce store. So we can add the link of that store over here as well. So in this way, if you want, you can also add some buttons in your WhatsApp message template. So new purchase customer, this is the template which we are going to use. So we have to select this very same template over here. New purchase customer. After selecting the template, the language code and template ID are automatically detected. We don't have to make any changes over there. And the next thing it asks us is recipient mobile number. So in the field of recipient mobile number, we wanted to add the WhatsApp number of the customer who placed the order. So we have received the recipient mobile number over here from the responses of WooCommerce. So we have received the WhatsApp number of the person. Just let me see. Okay, so this is the number. So this is the number of the phone number of the customer, which they have entered while making the order or while placing the order in WooCommerce. We have to basically map this very same number over here in this recipient mobile number field. And the process of mapping, guys, is very simple. Simply click on this field, and from the drop down below, we can see all the responses which we have received from WooCommerce. And out of all these responses, select the response of billing phone number and map it. After mapping the phone number, the next thing is it asks us is body field 1. So in place of body field 1 in our template message, we wanted to add the name of the customer. So we will map the name of the customer from WooCommerce response over here in this body field 1. Just click on this field, and from the drop down below, select the response of the name. So this is the name. The first name of the customer, just select it and map it. After a space from the drop down, once again select the response of last name as well and map it. So in this way, we have successfully mapped the first name and last name of the customer over here. And in body field 2, we wanted to add the name of the product which that customer has ordered. So we have also received the response of name of the product. So from the drop down, we can search that item name. So this is the item name, the name of the product which customer has ordered. So from the drop down, just select it and map it over here. And after entering all these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And in this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with our selected template and all these details are sent on this very same number. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number. So let's go to WhatsApp. And yes guys, we can see that on this very same WhatsApp number, we have received a message which says order confirmation, hi test me. Means the very same customer name which we have entered by placing the order on our WooCommerce store. The very same name is present over here in this WhatsApp message. Then this message says, thank you for shopping with us. Your order has been successfully placed for dashing white solid men's round neck t-shirt for summers. The very same product name which we have added in our WooCommerce, the very same product which the customer has ordered is now mentioned over here. Happy shopping, Pabbly. So guys, this is the very same template message which we have created in WhatsApp Cloud API, and this very same message is now sent to the customer as a confirmation. So step 2 of setting up this automation, guys, is also completed. Now we have to move to step 3. For that, just click on this add action step button over here. And here in choose app, we have to search for or select Google Sheets over here. So in the third step, we want to add this order details which we have received from in our WooCommerce store into Google Sheets. So here in choose app, select Google Sheets, and in action event from the drop down, select add new row. After selecting the action event, click on connect and select add new connection. Now guys, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect in this step. So to make the connection, just click on connect with Google Sheets and select your Google Sheets account. Just scroll down and click on continue. And that's it, guys. By clicking on continue, we have now successfully connected our Google Sheets account in which our spreadsheet is present, that very same Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. Now after making the connection, the next thing it asks us is select spreadsheet. So in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have created in our Google Sheets account can be seen over here. And out of all these spreadsheets, the spreadsheet which I have created to contain or to add the details of my WooCommerce store orders is named as WooCommerce orders. So this is this particular spreadsheet. So we will select this very same spreadsheet from the drop down. This is it. Just select it. After selecting the spreadsheet, it is asking us select sheet. So in this particular spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. So we have selected sheet 1 over here by default. Then after that, you can see all the columns of details or data which I have created in my spreadsheet or in my Google Sheet can be seen over here in Pabbly Connect. So what are the details or the data or the text we wanted to add in these columns? We have to map that very same data over here in these fields in Pabbly Connect. And as we also the process of mapping is very simple, guys. Just simply click on this field of order ID, and we have received the order ID from WooCommerce. Just from the drop down, select WooCommerce response and select this response of order ID and map it. The next thing it asks us is customer name. So like we mapped earlier from the drop down from WooCommerce responses, select the response of customer name and map it. We have selected the first name, and from the drop down once again select the last name and map it. Then it is asking us for the email, so just click on this field, and from the responses, just select the response of email. This is the email, just select it and map it of the customer. Then it is asking us for the phone number. So from the responses, this is the response of phone number, map it. And at last, it is asking us product name. Just click on it and search for the item name. This is the product name which the customer has ordered. Select it and map it. So we have successfully mapped all the details, entered all the required data over here in this field. And we saw that all the columns of details which we have created in Google Sheet, we can see the very same column as a new field in Pabbly Connect over here. After mapping the data, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we can see that we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a very positive response to us. This response shows that all the data which we have mapped in these fields are now successfully added as a new row in our Google Sheet. So let's check our Google Sheet. This is our sheet. And yes, guys, we can see that in this very same Google Sheet, all the details which we have mapped, basically all the details of the new order which we have received from WooCommerce are now stored in this particular sheet. We have the very same order ID, we have the very same customer name, same email address of the customer who placed the order, the phone number of the customer, as well as the product which that customer has ordered. Which means, guys, the step 3 of this automation is also successfully completed. And we have successfully created this automation by which whenever we will receive a new order on our WooCommerce store, the details of that very same order will automatically added into a Google Sheet, as well as we will send a WhatsApp confirmation message to that very same customer who has placed the order. Now, after setting up this automation, let's get back to our WooCommerce store. And here at our WooCommerce store, we will just place a new order, a new test order, and check this automation in real time. So this time we will select some other product. For example, I have a iron press over here. Just select it. Let's click on add to cart. And let's place the order. Click on proceed to checkout. Now this time I will just keep the details of the test customer as it is, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the name of the customer over here. So in this real-time test order, I'll enter the name as, for example, dummy last name. So this is the dummy last name of the person who is placing the order. Click on place order. And we can see that the order is successfully placed. So just now in real time, we have placed a new order on our WooCommerce store. And because we have created this automation, we will see that the customer who has placed this order will automatically receive a WhatsApp message. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this very same customer. Let's check the WhatsApp account. And here it is. And yes guys, we can see that on this very same number, we have received a WhatsApp message. This message says order confirmation, hi dummy last name, means the very same name of the customer which we have added while entered while making the order, placing the order on our WooCommerce store. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order has been successfully placed for Iron Press, the very same product which we have just now ordered with this customer's detail. Happy shopping Pabbly. Which means guys, we have tested this automation and this automation is working perfectly fine in real time as well. Now let's check our Google Sheet. We'll get back to a Google Sheet. And yes guys, we can see that on our Google Sheet as well, we have successfully received the details of that very same order. We have the very same first name, basically same customer name, same email address of the customer, the phone number, as well as the same product which that customer has ordered. Which means guys, the automation is working perfectly fine. Now let's get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So guys, first we have created a workflow in our Pabbly Connect, and in this workflow as a trigger application, we have selected WooCommerce and new order created was our trigger event. Then after that guys, we have placed a test order, a dummy order on our WooCommerce store, and after making the connection of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect with a webhook URL, we have received the details of that very same order in Pabbly Connect. Now after receiving those details, we have also received the phone number of the customer. So in the next step, using WhatsApp Cloud API, we sent a WhatsApp message as a confirmation for that particular order placed by the customer. And also in the third step, we have sent all the details of the order which we have received from WooCommerce to Google Sheet, so that we can also add the details of new orders receiving on WooCommerce store into Google Sheet and maintain the records. So not just these applications guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for.
Hey everyone, welcome back again. So guys, in this video you will learn how you can send your business quotations to your customers on their WhatsApps automatically. So guys, here we have taken the example of a security service, and let's suppose that you have a security service or any kind of business like that, and you have a website, and in that website you have attached an inquiry form. So as and when any customer is going to inquire about your services, you want to send your quotation to that customer on the WhatsApp. But doing this manually can be really time taking and a repetitive process. So we have an automation for you which is going to do it for you automatically. So you can see now on my screen, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we have used Elementor plugin of WordPress to create an inquiry form. You can use any other form building application as well, like Webflow or JotForm or any other kind of form building application. And here, as and when you are going to receive any inquiry from Elementor form, a quotation will be delivered to the person who has inquired automatically on his or her WhatsApp. So you do not need to manually sort out the details of the person who have inquired, and you do not have to manually send the messages. So it will save your time, your manual efforts, and you can focus on other productive aspects of your business. And to make this happen guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills very easily. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here, you can use this link pabbly.com/connect. And guys, from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, you just have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as security service quotations on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. Alright, so this is our workflow page, so neat and clean, and here we have these two things, the trigger and the action. So we are going to build this automation with the help of these two things. So the trigger is that event which is going to make this workflow run, and the action will be the response towards the trigger. So, and as in this use case, the trigger event would be submission of an inquiry form via any lead or customer, and the action towards this trigger would be to send the quotation on WhatsApp of the person who have inquired. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, you have to choose Elementor plugin as the trigger application, because we have created the inquiry form with the help of this. Okay, and the trigger event would be new form submission, right? And here it has given you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to connect with Elementor plugin, and we are going to bring the response of that connection here in this workflow. So guys, to make this connection, you just need to follow these instructions written here. You can see you can reach your website, and you have to open the editor of Elementor plugin, and then you have to add this webhook URL. Okay, so let me show you the process. You can just read the instructions and follow the steps. Okay, so this is my WordPress applications dashboard, and this is a page I have created for a security service. Okay, so you can create accordingly according to your business, you can create the page, and here I have attached an inquiry form. So you can see I have this edit with Elementor option. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and the editor will open up. Okay, like this. And here when you scroll down, you will find this form, and when you click on any of the field on this form, on the left hand side panel you will see the content section. Under the content section, when you scroll down, you will find this actions after submit option. So when you click on actions after submit, you will have this add action field. So here you have to select this webhook action. So I have selected it already. If you want to select it, you just have to type webhook here, and you have to select webhook like this. And when you select webhook here in this add action field, you will see this webhooks option available below. Okay, so click on webhooks, and here you have to paste the webhook that you got in your workflow. So I have already a webhook or URL pasted. Let me remove it, and now I'm going to click on copy here. You can see our webhook URL is copied, and here you have to paste it like this. Okay, and then click on update and update your page. Alright, so you can see the page is updated. Let me open the page again. Okay, so here you can see, as I have copied the webhook URL from here, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission, or we can bring the response of this connection that we have just created. So to bring the response, I am going to manually fill the form now, and I'm going to submit the form, and the data of that submission will be captured here as the test data, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so let me open my form now. So guys, this is my website page. Okay, and here I'm going to fill this form now. So let's say a demo person is filling this form. So I'm filling the name as demo name, the email ID is this, right, and the number is this. Okay, now I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the form was sent successfully. The form is submitted. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. Alright, so this is our workflow, and here you can see we have received the data like this. The name is demo name, email, phone number, alright, and the form ID is this. So that's how you can capture the test data. And now guys, I want to send a quotation of my services or my business to this person on this WhatsApp number. For this to happen, we have to connect WhatsApp here in this actions tab. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface. So to get that access, I'm going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform. So guys, before connecting the cloud API platform here, you need to connect your WhatsApp number or your business number with the cloud API. All right. So if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, guys. We have created a dedicated video on connecting your number with the cloud API platform of WhatsApp. All right, so do watch that, and after that you can use the cloud API feature here. So from this choose app field, just search for cloud API. Here it is selected, and the action event would be send template message. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window, if you are making the connection for the very first time with the cloud API platform, select add new connection option. Here you can give a name to this connection as well, and here it is asking for the token or the permanent access token of cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So guys, if you want to know more about the cloud API setup and making the connections, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly. And here you will find this video on how to set up cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. And then we have this video on generating the permanent access token for cloud API. And here we have written instructions along with screenshots to make the connection with cloud API inside Pabbly Connect in Trigger and in the action. So you can learn many things about cloud API setup from here only and follow the steps. And guys, for these three things, I can show you my cloud API setup. So guys, here you can see I am under Meta for Developers section, and here I have this WhatsApp's getting started page. Okay, so when you click on getting started, and here guys, you will find the temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So if you want to run your workflows continuously, you need to generate a permanent access token. So if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from this forum page. Here is the video on generating the permanent access token, and we have pasted the link in the description as well. From there you can also learn that. Okay, and after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also to make the connections, right? And here we have this phone number ID. So first you got the permanent token, which you have to paste here in this token field. Then you will find this phone number ID here. You can copy this and paste it here in this field like this. And similarly, you will find the business account ID, copy that and paste it here in this field like this. Okay. And after filling all the things, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with WhatsApp's cloud API. And this connection that you're making by this process is going to be saved in your account. All right. So if you want to make the connection again in a different workflow, you can use that same existing connection that you have already created. Guys, as I have already created many connections with my cloud API platform in different workflows previously, so I can use my existing connections. So you can see I have this select existing connection option. I just have to select this, and here it will show me the list of all the existing connections that I have. So from this list, I can choose any of my existing connection. Let's say I'm choosing this one, number 73. And now I just have to click on save, and I'll be connected again like this with my cloud API setup. Okay, so here's how you can connect, and here it is asking for the templates name or the message templates name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp to multiple people, you need to create standard message templates inside your cloud API setup, and you have to get them approved by Facebook. And after that, you can use those templates to send messages in bulk on WhatsApp to multiple people at once automatically. Okay, so let me show you. Here you can see I have this to create your own message template. Click here, it is written here, and when you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section of cloud API setup. Here are all the message templates I have created for different reasons, and the template I am using for this purpose, for sending the my quotation to my customer, I have a template. Let me show you that. So guys, this is a message template I'm going to use for this purpose, named as send brochure final. And here, this is the name of the template, and here you can see the preview of the message. So when I'm going to use this template, this is how the message is going to look like on WhatsApp on my customer's account. All right, here you can see it is showing hello Akash. Akash is just a random name. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly Connect. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer. So this is a kind of standard message I have created for every of my customer, all right, who is going to inquire about my services. And in this same template, we can send a brochure here in this header section, or a quotation. Okay, so if you want to know how to create such templates, you can watch the video from the description, guys, where we have explained the creation of template and getting the approval and all the necessary things you need to know about the templates. Okay, after creation of the template, you have to select this template here. So when you click here on this template name, it will show you the list of all the templates you have. From here, search for your template. Okay, like this. Alright, and after selecting the template, the language code and the template ID will be auto populated, and here it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. So here you have to put the WhatsApp number of the customer to whom you want to send the message. So we got the test data of our customer who have inquired like this, and here we have received this mobile number label in which we got the number. So I'm going to map this mobile number label here in this field. So to map, just click here, and it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the labels that you have received in the first step. Okay, so from here I'm going to map this mobile number label like this. Okay, and now it is asking for the header documents URL. So guys, you can see in my message template, I have this header section in which I can send a document, and I'm going to send this document, guys. Let me show you. This is a brochure or a quotation I have created for the security services. Okay, so, and I have uploaded it in my WordPress website only. So this is the link I got. So I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to paste this link here in this header document URL field. Okay, and now it is asking for the header document's name. So you can give a name, any name to this document. So I am giving the name as security quotation. All right, so the things that you are putting here manually are going to remain the same in the message that you are sending. But guys, there can be a few things which you can change with every new message you are going to send with the help of the template. For example, you can see in this message we have this Akash written here, Pabbly Connect is here, and the website address here. But here you can see in this body box, here we have typed the main body of the message template. We have this 1 in double curly braces, 2 and 3. So these are the variable tags or the body fields we have in our message template. This means we can change 3 things inside our message template every time we are sending the message. Okay, so we have 3 variables here which we can change automatically with every new message, like the name of the customer, your services name, and your website address. Okay, and to get this data change automatically, we need to map the values of these body fields here in our workflow. So it is asking for these body fields here. So let me map the data now from this first step only. This is the name. So when you map the data here, the labels are going to be updated automatically every time you receive a form submission. In the second body field, let's see what we want to put here. Showing your interest in. Okay, so here I'm going to put the name of my firm, which is Pabbly Securities. Okay. Okay. And here I'm going to put the website address. Okay, you can put yours. Right. And after filling all the data, you can click on save and send test request, and a test WhatsApp message will be delivered to this test number. Okay, So I'm going to put my number here now to show you the demo how the message is going to look like, but you have to map this number only. But to show you the demo, I'm going to put my number, then I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to my WhatsApp account. Let me show you the message. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and you can see I have received a new message here on WhatsApp, and you can see the message is this. So guys, this is the message I have received on WhatsApp. Here you can see it is showing the message is actually received on my cell phone, but it is not showing the message here for any technical reason. I don't know why, but the message is this. You can see I have this on my phone, guys, and it is showing you hello demo name. You can read hello demo name. Thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly securities. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, and you can see here, if you can see, we got the body fields changed here automatically. Here it is showing hello demo name and thank you for showing your interest in Pabbly securities, and you can see the website address is also changed because we have mapped the data here like this in these fields. So that's how it is going to work, guys. And here you can see we got the security quotation file is also delivered, and from here only our customer can download the file, download the quotation, and here you can see this is the same file that we have created got delivered. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So our connection is working fine, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when any person is going to inquire about your services on your website, these messages will be delivered to that person automatically, and you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.